You want to improve your English, but you're just lying there doing nothing.
Wake up! Progress doesn't happen by itself.
No more excuses. No more maybe tomorrow. It's today. It's now.
Come with us. Make English dance in your head, where words stick in your mind, with better pronunciation.
And English becomes simpler than ever. Hit play, speak out loud, and let's start.
Hey there. Mind if I sit here?
No. You can sit.
Thanks. You look sad. Are you okay? Do you want to talk about it?
Oh no, it's nothing.
You know, when someone says it's nothing, it means they have a problem.
Yeah, maybe.
I'm Joe, by the way. What's your name?
I'm Anna.
It's nice to meet you, Anna. Sometimes talking makes you feel better. I can listen.
It's my English.
Your English? What about it? It sounds just fine to me.
At school, when I try to talk, my classmates, they laugh at me.
Oh no, I'm sorry, Anna. That must feel awful. Can you tell me what happens?
Okay, so the story is...
Okay, class. Can you tell me what you do every day? Yes, Tom.
I eat breakfast. I go to school. I play video games with my friends.
Very good. Caroline, how about you?
I do my homework after school. I help my mom with dinner. I watch movies on my tablet.
Great. Now, Anna, your turn. What do you do every day?
Every day, I do.
Ha! She doesn't know. Come on, Anna, say something. Or you don't know how to say?
Jacob, that's not nice. Don't laugh at others. All right, Anna, you can sit down. Anyone else?
Can anyone tell me what 8 plus 3 is?
It's...
Oh, Anna wants to try. That's enough, Tom. Let her speak.
It's 11.
Correct.
I can answer that in 5 seconds.
People laugh at my English. I don't want to talk anymore.
Yeah, it hurts when people laugh. But English is just practice. Everyone starts somewhere. Can I show you a little trick, a way to make it less scary?
What trick?
I call this trick start small. You say something simple, and you keep going. You don't need to think about the whole story, just one small piece.
But I don't know how to say things.
Then let's start right now.
Now?
Yeah. If someone asks you, what do you do every day? Just answer simply. Follow what I say, okay?
Okay.
I wake up at 6 a.m.
I wake up at 6 a.m.
Good. Clear and simple. Next, after I wake up, I brush my teeth.
After I wake up, I brush my teeth.
Then I get dressed for school.
I get dressed for school.
See? Easy, right? Now I eat breakfast with my family.
I eat breakfast with my family.
Okay now, Anna, let's put it together. What do you do every day?
I wake up at 6 a.m. I brush my teeth. I get dressed for school. I eat breakfast with my family. And I walk to the bus stop. I go to my classes. After school, I read a book.
That was perfect, Anna. You just need to say an action with a time or another simple idea.
It is simple. I really like your trick. Thank you, Joe. But
what? Just tell me.
But I'm still scared. At school, people still laugh. It's different here.
You're right. It is different. It sounds like you don't have a safe place to practice. How about this? Let's make this park your safe place.
Safe place?
I'll be here every day after your school. You come here and we will practice, just us. You can say anything and I will listen. No laughing.
Every day? You would do that?
Yeah, I promise.
Thank you so much. I'll do my best. Joe, can I ask, what do you do for your job?
I'm almost a teacher. I help a teacher with her class at her school. Sometimes I help students too.
Ooh, so you are like a teacher's helper. That sounds fun.
Class, can you tell me what you did last weekend?
Me, teacher.
Oh, great. It's Anna. Get ready for the,
Jacob, you need to stop that.
What? He's just saying, Class, be quiet. Go ahead, Anna. We're all listening.
Last weekend, I visited my grandma. I helped her in the garden. Then, we cooked dinner together. We made potato salad. It was a very good weekend.
Wow! You're so great, Anna.
Anna, that was wonderful. Well done.
Thank you, teacher.
Anna,
Go on. You guys should say something to her. Say it.
Sorry for, before. For laughing and make fun of you, Anna.
Yeah, me too. I'm really sorry, Anna.
It's all, guys. I forgive you all.
And don't do that next time. That's so bad.
Yes, we're sorry.
Joe, I did it!
You did what?
I answered the question in class about my weekend. And everyone clapped for me. The teacher said it was wonderful. Tom and Jacob, they even said sorry.
That's amazing. I am so proud of you, Anna.
Thank you so much, Joe. Because of you,
No, Anna, because of you. You worked hard. You practiced every day.
But you helped me so much.
That's what friends are for.
Will you still come here tomorrow?
I wish I could. My new job starts soon. I can't come here every day anymore.
Oh,
Hey, don't be sad. You are so strong and smart now.
but I cannot practice with you anymore. I'm so afraid.
It's okay, girl. You found your voice. You see your power. You can do it alone, I am sure. Maybe we still can meet.
Really? But when?
Well, that's a secret, but I promise you may see me again.
Okay. Oh, I have a small gift for you.
Really? What is it?
A pen. You're a teacher helper, so you need a good pen, right? For writing and helping others.
Wow, this is the best gift. Thank you, Anna. I'll use it every day.
Thank you, Joe. Thank you for everything. I'm happy that I met you.
Yeah, me too. Goodbye, Anna.
My. That was quite a warm goodbye.
Jesse, where did you come from? Were you watching us?
Relax, I was just walking by. So you know Anna?
You can say so. We met by chance.
You helped her, right? I saw her come here after school.
Maybe. A little.
Well, whatever you did, thank you. She is very different now. Much happier in class.
She only needed someone to listen. You said I'm a good listener.
So, your new job, is it at my school?
Ha, you got me. I'm the new teacher at your school.
I knew it! Welcome to the school, Mr. Joe. The kids will love you. Especially Anna.
Don't tell her, okay? It's a surprise.
You buy me tacos tonight, and I will forget everything.
What? Fine.
That's what friends are for. Now, let's go. I'm hungry. Don't forget to practice your English every day to improve your English level. Watch the video for 1 week. Try to think and speak in English every time. Listen and repeat the lesson out loud to improve your listening and speaking skills fast. Thanks for watching. Please give us a like, share, and comment. Click here for more useful videos.